guys, so today I'm very excited for today's video. I am doing a makeup haul. I did some damage on elf.com. If you like hauls, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe down below because I make new videos very frequently and I've been posting a lot here on my channel. Without further ado, let's just get started. After I did the elf shopping, I did some shopping at Dollar Tree. The one thing that I wanted to get that I know this Dollar Tree has is Wet n Wild brushes. These are the Wet n Wild brushes, and this one is the crease brush. I absolutely love this brush. I have one already and I freaking love it. So I knew that they had this and I wanted to get one. And of course, because I was down in the makeup aisle, I had to totally look at some other stuff that they had. So I saw these are the LA Colors Shimmering Loose Eyeshadow with Brush, and I got the shade Honeysuckle and Radiant. They're very pretty, but the brush is like non-existent. I'm really excited to play with these because I feel like they're going to be very beautiful. And then I've been on the hunt for a really good drugstore eyeliner. So this is the LA Colors liquid eyeliner for precise lining and control, ultra fine, and I got it in black. We're gonna open it up and see how fine the applicator is. I'm gonna just shake it, kind of give it a chance here. Oh, that is a very ultra thin. It's got a thin, like, look how thin that is, but let's see if I can get... Oh, that's pretty black. But let's go get into the stuff that I got from elf. So the first thing that I got from elf is this Matte for Matte eyeshadow palette. So I got another one of these because I actually had one. I got one for, I don't know, Christmas or my birthday or something, but I didn't need it because I already had one that I had just bought. So I decided to give it to a friend. She really liked it, and then that was a few years ago. So since then I've been loving my palette that I already have. I used it for my mom on her wedding. I love it. It's a staple. So I did a huge, there was like a New Year's sale going on, and this was like $3. Of course I had to get it because it's originally $10, but I love this palette. It's such a good staple and it's amazing quality for the drugstore. This is the Sunset Prism eyeshadow palette, and I did crack it open into this and I did swatch them already, and they are very beautiful. I've been using elf liquid eyeliner for years because it's like $1 or $2 and it's really good. So I got another one. This one is in charcoal. I got these elf Aqua Beauty Molten Liquid eyeshadows. So I got the shade Liquid Gold, Brushed Copper, and Rose Gold. I also decided to get a few lip products. This liquid matte lipstick. So I got the shade Tea Rose. That's the shade Tea Rose. And then I got the High Shine liquid lipstick in Crushed Berries. This feels a little sticky, I'm not gonna lie. It feels actually very sticky, but we're still gonna go with it. Look at the shine and look at the pigmentation. This I think I'm the most excited about. This is the elf Prep and Blur stick in sheer. So I am so excited to try this out. So excited. I love playing with face products, and I love elf's face products. They intrigue me. Dramatic Lash Kit. I've never tried their lashes before. I've had their lashes. I just don't really particularly love lashes, and these aren't something that I would really wear. This shimmering facial whip in Pink Lemonade, and it even says perfect for highlighting. So I'm excited. We're gonna pop this open, and this is not something I would highlight with. Holy pigmentation and holy pink. I have this elf baked eyeshadow in Enchanted. And last but not least, I have a 3-in-1 mascara in Very Black. It's a new formula. Maybe we'll try it See if I like the formula. We'll see if I like the formula. If I don't, I will give it to my grandmother. Maybe she would like to use it. That's it for this haul, you guys. That is all that I have. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more hauls, let me know in the comments down below and by liking this video. And yeah, I'll spend my money some more. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll talk to you in my next video. Have a wonderful life. Mwah. I love you guys so much. Bye.